Colleen. This is your personalized video on how to use your morning skincare routine. So you're going to start with your gel cleanser. This stuff is amazing. Now I like to keep one in the shower and one by the sink because I like to use this in the shower. But it twists off like that, and then you're going to put about that much, just a little bit, on your hand. And then you're going to add some water, which I just added some water. You probably can't see this. Rub my hands together. It's going to make a little nice gel. Now you're going to rub this in. Now make sure you do all of this area here as well. You want to treat this the same, otherwise, well, the other part will age and it will give you away. Then I'm going to wet my washcloth. If I'm in the shower, I just put the water on it, but I'm just going to gently, moving up, I'm going to remove the gel oil cleanser like that. Now, the next step is to tone. This is like the rinse cycle in your washing machine. So I like to put it on like aftershave very generously. It's an exfoliant and a hydration. You can also use a cotton rub if you like to. That's really good, especially if you're taking off makeup at night. But I do like in the morning just to give it that really thick hydration. While it's wet, you want to do the next two steps. So you have the activated serum. My hands are wet. I have to dry them off to open it. It twists like this. And then there's a pump. It's a measured pump. So when you first do it, there's air. I just opened this one. So you have to get all the air out. Yep, you'll have that same issue. And then you're going to do one pump, should do your face and neck. And if you do that morning and night, if you are not sensitive to the retinol, then you're going to get even better effect. So again, we want to move quickly because we want to do it while it's wet because everything goes a little bit longer. About this much of your SPF moisturizer, and we're going to rub it together, dot, dot, dot. This is how I do it. Now, if I'm going to be going out in the sun, I'm going to put a little bit more on my neck area because I don't want any of this to get sun damage. Sun damage ages us. You just finished your morning routine. It only takes 2 minutes. I'm talking, so it's taking a little longer. An extra treatment you can add later is our eye treatment. It's got this wonderful little cooling tool on it, and you just, so you put a little bit out, the cream, and then you dot, 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 and then this is a nice cooling tool, takes the puffiness out, the circles out. Good to do night and morning as well. That's something you can add next time. I hope this was helpful. Nighttime. Oh, let me tell you one more thing. At nighttime, you do everything the same, except you add your night cream instead of your SPF. And as far as your mask that you got free, these are really good to do about once a week, and you can alternate them, or you can put the detox mats. If you have any oily areas or areas where you get breakouts, put it on there and then put the gold in the dry areas. You can do it at the same time, or as I said, you can alternate the mask. 1 week do this one week do this, or you can even do 2 in a week. They're wonderful. They're going to make you, it's like having a spa. So I hope you enjoyed this.